Via Vegvisir, we develop mixed reality-based situational awareness systems. In armored vehicles, you have a problem that you don't have too many windows where you could see outside, which results in a situation that you actually don't know much what happens around the vehicle. There is another problem that you have quite many digital sources of information inside the vehicle, which sometimes might be overwhelming, and you don't know even where exactly to look at to get the information. In Vegvisir, we have tried to solve both of these problems at the same time. By using cameras, we bring a real-world image in front of a user's eyes. And because we use virtual reality headsets, then we can also connect the user to the digital battlefield and display any information which is out there on a battlefield digitally just in front of the eyes. And that's why we call it mixed reality, which as a result will enhance your survivability and superiority on the battlefield. Very crucial technological element in our development has been latency. This is a delay which takes for light photon to get from camera to the headset. In our system, the latency is minimum, meaning that there is no delay. In many cases, the delay is too big, which means that you cannot use these kind of systems because you get the motion sickness right away. We are at minimum viable product phase at this moment, meaning that we are set to get our final product ready this year. By September latest, we hope to demonstrate our system in one of the trade shows. And trade shows definitely is one of the key goals for this year for us. Hope to see you all as many as possible. So thank you for your attention.
Thank you also, Ingvar, from my side. Now I have a couple of questions also to you. First, what do you see as your biggest achievement so far in product or company's development?
We have developed Vegvisir now for 2 years. There was a long research phase where we really explored what has been done in the world so far. And now we have reached to the prototyping phase, which actually got over last December when we made field tests on actual armored vehicles together with Estonian Defence Forces here in Estonia. What the actual field tests showed to us was that our concept works in real life. And this is really important. About 40 people tested during those tests our system, and nobody of them got any motion sickness, meaning that we have proved our system being reliable for the real life use. And I would say that this actually sets a very important foundation for our further development. And we are really happy that we have got so far and with quite a short time frame.
I fully agree with you, and this is quite an achievement, I would say. But to add to the first question, what are the development plans for the near future for you? Will you be using the feedback from the Estonian Defence Forces that you have been working with?
Yes, absolutely. The feedback what we have got from Defence Forces is really, really valuable because we designed the system for them. And now this year, we will focus heavily on implementing those lessons learned and feedback what we got from the Defence Forces in our system. And I guess the actual product will solve any other issues which raised during the tests. So yes, I would say that getting the final product ready for in this year, in September probably, is one of the crucial goals for this year. And another goal is to be present on as many trade shows as possible. And we will take part of at least 5 global trade shows. And in different parts of the world, we hope to see as many potential customers as possible. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ingvar, also from my side. We're now going to listen to the presentation by a company called Track Deep, and the presentation is going to be done by Andy viitma.